Open your book to page 601. Let's go to example 1. This is an example for solving equations by elimination method. What you want to do is when you have two equations, you want to write it side by side so you got room to work underneath. So you have negative x plus y equal to 3. And you have x plus 2y equal to negative 2. So first you need to do is decide which variable you want to eliminate. So if you look at the x, they're already opposite. So you want to eliminate the x. And you want to put one equation underneath the other. So I'm going to put this under here. So I got x plus 2y equal to negative 2. So I add, so this will cancel out. Again, that's a key point to this lesson, okay, is to eliminate. So one variable will cancel out. So you got 3y equal to 1 divided by 3, so y equal to 1/3. So once you solve for one variable, you substitute into any one of the equation to solve. So I'm going to substitute in here. I got x plus 2 times, again, whatever you substitute, always put in parentheses. Multiply to work it out. You got x plus 2 over 3 equal to negative 2. Minus 2 over 3 on each side, minus 2 over 3 on each side. So you got x equal to, use your calculator, so you're going to get negative 2 and 2/3. So that's example 1. Now let's go to example 2. Example 2, you have x minus 2y equal to negative 6. You have 4x plus 3y equal to 20. So again, you want to decide which variable you want to eliminate first. And normally you want to pick the one with the lowest one. So x is the lowest, right? This is coefficient is 1, this coefficient is 2 or negative 2, 4, and 3. So this is the lowest one. So usually probably, not always, but usually this would be the easier to do. So I want to eliminate the x. So to eliminate the x, I need to make them opposite. To make them opposite, I need to multiply this by negative 4. So I get negative 4x. See, right now they're opposite, right? So that's the key concept. Make them opposite, so that way when you add, they will cancel out. Then I'm going to put this under here. So put this under here. So I got 4x plus 3y equal to 20. So when I add, this cancel out, and that's a key concept. So I get 11y equal to 44. Divide by 11, so y equal to 4. Once I find y equal to 4, I'm going to substitute into one of the equations. Doesn't matter which one you use. Okay, so I'm going to use this one because this one is easier. Equation has lower number. So I get x minus 2 times y equal to negative 6. Again, whatever you substitute, put in parentheses. Work it out. And plus 8 on both sides. So I got x equal to 2, and that's it for example 2. Okay, let's go to example 3. So you have two equations. You got 3x plus 4y equal to 6. You got 2x plus 3y equal to 5. So now this is a little bit harder because none of them match. So you cannot do it direct. So again, you have to decide which one you want to eliminate. So I'm going to eliminate the x because x is a lower number. So I'm going to do the x. So I got 3x and 2x. I need to find a way to make them opposite. So to make them opposite, I'm going to multiply. So you have to get them this common multiple. So 3 and 2, your this common multiple is 6. So to get to 6, I need to multiply this by 2. So I get 6x plus 8y equal to 12. So now I need to make this opposite to these. So I need to multiply by negative 3, so I get negative 6. So again, you need to go and multiply to get the least common multiple, and you have to make them opposite. Okay, so now again, that's a key concept, to make them opposite so that when you add, they will cancel out. And that's why the name of the method is called elimination method. You cancel out to eliminate a variable. So if you put this under here, you get 6x plus 8y equal to 12. When you add, see, it cancel out. That's why it's elimination, right? So you got negative 1y equal to negative 3. So divide by negative 1, divide by negative 1. Or you can multiply by negative 1. Either way, it will be the same. So y equal to 3. So once you find y equal to 3, you can use either one of the equation to solve for x. So choose the easiest one. So I'm going to use this one here. So I got 2x plus 3, and the y is 3 equal to 5. Okay, I use this equation here, and I substitute into here, right? Multiply out, subtract to get rid of the number. So I got 2x equal to negative 4. And I divide by 2, so x equal to negative 2. And that's it for x and y.